Hello friends, today we will start. Today we will solve some numerical problems related to Kirchhoff law and electric cell. Then it is a numerical. According to it, in each branch there are resistances. One resistance 2 ohm, 2 ohm, a cell of EMF 3 volt, 1 volt, and 3 resistances. And in this problem we have to find out current along each resistance. How can we solve it? We can apply Kirchhoff's law to solve this problem. According to Kirchhoff's law, we know that sigma IR is sigma E. Sigma IR is sigma E, where E is EMF of different cells. Then in first mesh A, B, E, F, current is along this direction. Then multiply resistance and current 2I1. Current is flowing along this same direction. Then there should be plus sign, plus 5. Current is I1 plus I2. Then in this branch here is no resistance, only these two resistances equal to EMF. It is 3 volt, 3. Or we can solve this equation 2I1 plus 5I1 plus 5I2 equal to 3. Or 7I1 plus 5I2 equal to 3 is equation 1. Now let us take another mesh in B, C, D and E. Current is along this direction, same direction, but differ from it. No connection between these two. So 2I2 plus 2I2 is multiplication of resistance and current along this branch, plus 5I1 plus I2 equal to 1. Or we can say 5I1 plus 7I2 equal to 1. It is equation 2. Then solve these two equations, equations 1 and 2. We will get I1, we will get I2. I1 and I2 are the current in different resistances. In 2 ohm resistance and in this 2 ohm resistance we can find. And then we have to find the current along this resistance. It will be I1 plus I2. So it is the method to solve this problem. Another problem is one cell takes current 0.5 ampere, then its voltage is 1.5 volt, 1.8 volt, and if this cell takes current 0.8 ampere, then its voltage is 1.5 volt. We have to find out internal resistance and EMF of this cell. So we have given two conditions for this cell. Let us solve this. Here it is, current I1 is 0.5 ampere for a cell and its voltage V1 is 1.8 volt. And if this cell takes current I2 is 0.8 ampere, then its voltage is 1.5 volt. We have to find out internal resistance of cell and EMF of cell. We know that there is a relation between terminal voltage and EMF and internal resistance of a cell, that is V equal to E minus IR. We can apply this relation. V1 equal to, since there is a single cell, so EMF will remain constant, E minus I1. R for a cell is constant. V2 equal to E minus I2 R. Or we can say V1 minus V2 equal to E minus I1 R minus E minus I2 R. V1 minus V2 equal to I2 minus I1 into R. Now put the values of V1, V2, I1, I2 and R. I1, I2 and R. We can find from it R, and then substituting the value of R in any of these two equations, we will get E. So you can solve it. Next problem is, if there is a circuit like this, a current 2.5 ampere is flowing through this circuit. Here it is a branch with resistance R1 equal to 6 ohm, another resistance R2 equal to 6 ohm, R3 equal to 6 ohm, and R4 is equal to 5 ohm. And here are the two terminals A and B. Current is flowing along this direction. We have to find out in this circuit total resistance, equivalent resistance between A and B. R equivalent equal to what? Voltage difference between A and B. VAB equal to what? And current along different resistances. I for each resistance. We have to find out. Then along these two terminals A and B, suppose, yes, we have to find equivalent resistance. It will be, these three resistances are in series, so their equivalency 1 upon R in series, R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. It will be 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. Then this combination 18 ohm is in parallel with this 5 ohm. So equivalent resistance 1 upon R dash equal to 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 5. Then we can solve it. Another problem is we have to find out potential difference between A and B. A and B. It will be current along this into equivalent resistance. Current along this is 2.5 ampere. So VAB equal to 2.5 into R dash. Then we have to find out current along different resistances. It means we have to find I1 and I2. So according to Kirchhoff's law, I equal to I1 plus I2, this first law, junction law, or we can say 2.5 equal to I1 plus I2, this equation number 1. Then apply Kirchhoff's second law, law of Pasch. Sigma IR equal to sigma E. Let us take this. It will be 6I1 plus 6I2, current is along this direction, plus 6I1 minus 5I2 equal to sigma E is equal to 0. Then we can solve it. From these two equations I will get I1 and I2. So in this way we can solve these numerical problems. If there is any problem related to it or related to any other question, you can ask to me. Thanks.